breeze across your skin, a glow that maps the heat. I'm tracing every curve and line, making the view complete. Our clothes are falling to the floor, discarded in the dark, while every touch upon your waist ignites a hungry spark. I admire the way your body moves, so soft and yet so strong. In this electric hazy light, this is where we both belong. We're locked inside a fever dream where every breath's a sigh, and I will worship every inch of you until we die. Friction turns to liquid silk. We're sliding deep inside, with heavy eyes locked onto mine. There's nowhere left to hide. We're slick and glistening with sweat, a shimmering wet display, as we both push each other harder just to wash the world away. We're fountain-drenched, inspiring, we refuse to let it end. Bound by the taste of salt and honey as our spirits start to blend. You're crying out my name again beneath this neon sky, and we will keep this rhythm pulsing fast until we die. Sheets are heavy, soaked through now a sea of us and more, drenched in the wild, frantic love that's spilled upon the floor. We're gasping, reaching for the air, our lungs can't find the space, while we're trembling in the wreckage of a desperate sweet embrace. Our bodies shake with aftershocks, we're glistening and spent, tracing the maps of where we've been and everywhere we went, holding on with white knuckle grip as the neon flickers low. In the silence of the soaked through bed, we finally let it go. I wanna die like this. Until we die, until we die.